Do you know how tea leaves are produced in a factory? 1 week before picking the tea leaves, the tea plants are subjected to shading treatment. This increases the synthesis of caffeine and amino acids in the new shoots, and also boosts the gathering of theonin in the new shoots. It helps maintain the water content and better tenderness of the young leaves. The plucking of the leaves is done automatically by machines, then transported to the factory for processing. Conveyor systems will spread the tea leaves out for withering. When the leaves become about 40% soft, they are then sifted to ensure each leaf is turned over. After sifting, the tea leaves are sent to a wok to be fried until the leaves turn a yellow-green color. While still hot, the freshly fried tea leaves are placed into a rolling machine to be repeatedly rolled, allowing the leaves to curl appropriately. The rolled tea leaves then undergo a drying process. Depending on the process, the number of rollings may vary. Generally, it's 2 rollings and 2 drying sessions. Next, a coarse screening process is done, removing any substandard tea leaves, and then we get our finished tea leaves.